Did you know that the fastest-growing electric car manufacturers in the world have invested in humanoid robots, and these humanoid robots work on their production lines in China? Now, do not be surprised to know that this company is none other than BYD. Let us dwell on how China's humanoid robots revolutionized the EV industry, and how the legacy factories are threatened. China's dominance in the electric vehicle market stems largely from its relentless drive for innovation and technological progress. Chinese companies have made notable breakthroughs in battery technology and electric propulsion systems, creating cutting-edge solutions that compete with and often outpace advancements made by Western companies. China's dominance in electric vehicle production stems from its extensive use of automated technology and robotics. These highly advanced robots, endowed with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, play a vital role in Chinese EV assembly lines, boosting efficiency, accuracy, and the ability to scale production to meet growing demand. BYD's CEO Wang Sha has even called out and declared war on internal combustion automakers and claims that he has an army behind him. Now, this claim of his isn't a false statement. In fact, he does have an army along with him. An army filled with humanoid robots. This is an eye-opener for us. It is indeed time for us to realize that this, in fact, is a very serious matter. Chinese automakers are at the heart of changing the entire industry upside down, causing a threat to the entire EV industry. China makes almost 75% of the world's electric cars. Humanoid robots have emerged as game changers in China's EV manufacturing ecosystem, revolutionizing traditional assembly line processes and driving unprecedented levels of automation. Believe it or not, when people say that, all the other automotive companies are scared of Chinese internal combustion automakers, and a threat like this has caused the entire industry to be alert. Humanoid robots use sensors and AI to perform tasks such as welding, spraying, assembling, and inspecting. Chinese electric vehicle, EV, companies use these robots to improve production, cut costs, and improve product quality. This has given them a strong advantage in the global market. In the pursuit of meeting soaring consumer demand, Chinese electric vehicle, EV manufacturers have turned to humanoid robots to boost productivity. These robots, immune to fatigue and downtime, operate 24/7, transforming production lines. They have dramatically expanded manufacturing capabilities, giving Chinese EV companies a competitive edge and enabling them to scale up production rapidly and gain market dominance with unprecedented speed. China has already been dominating in all aspects, and now they have decided to implement the use of robots instead of humans to build electric cars too. Everything is taking a huge turn, and everyone is very confused and in dismal of not knowing how to react to such a situation. It is also said that Tesla might also follow this and start using robots to do the same. Why exactly does China use humanoid robots instead of humans? Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers have leveraged humanoid robots to dramatically boost production, catering to the surge in demand. These robots can operate continuously without rest or breaks, leading to a surge in manufacturing capabilities. This has allowed Chinese EV companies to swiftly increase production output and capture a significant portion of the market. Many electronic vehicle companies in China have already been using robots and are producing EVs that are 50% cheaper compared to EVs manufactured in other countries. When did Tesla start making a profit out of their EVs? It was after manufacturing Tesla in China that it began to make profits. In China's electric vehicle industry, humanoid robots are revolutionizing manufacturing processes. Chinese companies' ongoing investments in these robots are enhancing their capabilities, paving the way for a dominant position in the global EV market. Humanoid robots are not mere automation tools. They are catalysts for China's EV manufacturing prowess and will continue to shape the industry's future, fueling further growth and innovation. Okay, so after listening to all this, a bubble might have arisen above your head with the question, what exactly is the problem with humanoid robots being used? How is all this being a serious issue and a one to be bothered about? Well, China has been paying its automation staff way cheaper wages than the staff in any other state or country. They had even sent a number of their staff to teach other humans in Finland about automation engineering. China has come to the conclusion that even though they have been paying lesser wages, it is not actually necessary to even pay half of what they are paying now when they have got humanoid robots to do the same. As humanoid robots become more prevalent, they pose a significant threat to the cost competitiveness of legacy factories. Robots' superior efficiency and accuracy compared to human workers give them an edge in productivity and cost effectiveness. Legacy factories that still use manual labor are struggling to keep up with this efficiency gap, making it challenging for them to compete with the speed and efficiency of automated factories, particularly those in China. Factories like NIO in China have already begun this, and if a company like NIO has implemented this, it will take no time at all for the rest of China to introduce this into their sectors. One can be so sure that by the end of this year, humanoid robots will be taking over the production lines in almost all automotive factories. China is not a country that lags behind or holds on and waits for someone else to begin something. Instead, they are the ones who are dominant in terms of technology and innovation and will not waste even a second in order to revolutionize. The robots have been trained to check and inspect the safety and quality of door locks, seat belts, headlight covers, etc. Believe it or not, when one says that these robots are even trained to affix vehicle logos in no time, these robots are capable of doing more, and it is all kept secret. Why would they want everyone to know about everything they have implemented? UB Tech is the company that produces these humanoid robots, and they argue that it is essential for these robots to be deployed in almost all automated production lines in order to smartly manufacture EVs. Now, all these are actually simple tasks performed by the robots, but you can bet that these robots will be trained to work on more complex tasks and create wonders in the entire automotive industry. And this for sure will happen in no more than the next 3 years or so. Let us be honest, robots can boost production compared to humans, which cannot be denied. And this is exactly the second reason why China is replacing humans with humanoid robots. They feel that there is no need to depend upon human labor when they have machines to create machines. Chinese electric vehicle makers gain a significant edge by deploying humanoid robots in their factories. These robots, unlike human employees, can toil relentlessly 24/7 without experiencing fatigue or requiring breaks. This dramatically boosts production capacity, enabling Chinese companies to swiftly scale up their operations to satisfy surging demand. As a result, they gain a substantial advantage in both production output and market share, leaving traditional, labor-intensive factories struggling to compete. They also feel like humans are not reliable. Humans can quit, leave a job, or even be inconsistent with their work. A company filled with humanoid robots would never want to slow their production even under a huge threat, or even if the entire world is shut down due to any kind of pandemic. Furthermore, the fast rate of technological progress in China's electric vehicle industry is increasing the gap between Chinese manufacturers and their Western rivals. With ongoing Chinese company investments in innovation, humanoid robots are expected to become even more advanced, posing a formidable challenge to competitors worldwide. To address the growing prominence of humanoid robots in China's EV production and the challenges they pose to traditional factories, the automotive sector needs to develop a strategic roadmap that emphasizes innovation, teamwork, and technological advancements. Old-fashioned factories need to change to keep up with how car manufacturing is changing. This means using robots and AI to make things better, faster, and more competitive. By spending money on these modern systems, legacy factories can make their production lines more efficient, lower their costs, and improve how well their products are made. This will help them do well in a market that's always changing. The automotive industry's progress in implementing robotics and AI, particularly humanoid robots in EV production, depends on strong cooperation and alliances among established car makers, tech firms, and academic institutions. Stakeholders can produce cutting-edge solutions that solve the particular problems and prospects posed by the rise of humanoid robots through resource sharing, knowledge transfer, and cooperation on R&D initiatives. Technological advancements have been increasing day by day, and humans are all under threat with the replacements of robots in the automotive industry. As humanoid robots gain prominence in China's electric vehicle manufacturing, the industry is entering a transformative phase of automation and technological advancements. To thrive in this dynamic landscape, stakeholders must embrace adaptation, foster cooperative partnerships, and prioritize workforce enhancement. By meeting these challenges and seizing new possibilities, the automotive sector can drive sustainable progress and maintain competitiveness in the long term. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Your opinions matter. Let us know your thoughts on the topic discussed in our comment section.